net immigration that is approximately the size of Wolverhampton or Hull every year. That's difficult to cope with in terms of our services and our infrastructure when we're cutting police by 25%, for example, local government in some cases by up to 50%. So you've got that problem. So to get on top of that, we need to ramp up policing again. We need to reverse those cuts and local government cuts. But we also need to bring...
How many people should be coming into the country?
I'm not going to give you a figure.
Why not?
Because it's an arbitrary figure, isn't it? It's just, I mean, because...
You told your party conference the present rate of immigration is unacceptable. That, to me, rather suggests that you know what would be acceptable.
And it's virtually uncontrolled. And what I'm saying is...
You're telling me that the current rate is unacceptable. That implies that you have a figure in your mind for what is acceptable, so why don't you tell us what it is?
In an ideal world, and I'm not saying this is practical, we should be aiming, certainly for the next few years, to zero net immigration. That should, but, you know, the chances of hitting zero net immigration, it's a very difficult target to hit. And not, if for no other reason, the fact that net immigration is also affected by the number of people who leave the country, and we can't control how many people leave the country. So in terms of the overall number of people coming in, yeah, the ideal would be to bring it down to zero.
Look, every other party leader has at least a rough idea in their head of what immigration should be into this country.
No, they don't. They're answering your question.
Well, they can't hit their target.
No, of course they can't. So, and I'm not going to be going around saying that I'm going to do X, Y, and Z, and that UKIP is going to do X, Y, and Z, knowing that we can't. So in future, when people hear something coming out of my mouth, and when I say we're going to do this, it will be because I sincerely believe that we can achieve that.